Right. To ensure an efficient and secure ride on a motorbike, you need the right tires pumped to the right pressure. Again, for your safety whilst riding, you need the right apparel and helmet to go with it. Finally, to ensure minimal wear and tear, a smooth ride and the longevity of your motorbike engine, you need the right oil. The Petrosol 40, a special blend of engine and gear oil made just for motorbikes.
You see, the right fit. Use only Petrosol 40 made just for motorbikes.